Hello and welcome to this quick video on the Multistep tool in the SmartWork 5 course for Karty Organic Chemistry. We're going to start on the digital landing page for Karty, click on the SmartWork 5 tile, and then the instructor demo assignment. The first three questions you'll see are the multi-step problems that are either multi-step synthesis or mechanism. Let's try the first question. In this question, we are asking students to show the curved arrow mechanism for the reaction between ethoxide and hydrochloric acid to give ethanol and the chloride ion. You'll see the second box is locked, so the student isn't required to do anything, but the first box is what the student is working on. Notice from the start, students always receive a hint that helps them get started. When we select box 1, you'll see the directions directly above the drawing tool box. It says draw the missing curved arrow notation. So we'll select the curved arrow tool and we can start anywhere highlighted in green. You can only start at bonds or atoms that contain lone pairs. I'm going to select the electrons and drag to the hydrogen, which is incorrect. We see the incorrect answer feedback that appears below the box. Notice that students will always get feedback on their answer, and many times their feedback is keyed directly to their incorrect answer. Our second question has 4 steps, and you'll see it's pre-populated with structures that the student will have to fill in. This allows students to really focus on understanding the mechanism and not having to draw everything. There are some questions students will have to draw from scratch, but this is not one of them. Notice as we move through the boxes, our directions for each box change. So let's go to box 1 and draw an incorrect arrow. Notice that you can see the work I've done all on one page. Finally, let's look at this last question using the multi-step tool. This is actually a multi-step synthesis tool instead of the mechanism. Notice there are reagents listed above the arrows, and the first structure, the starting material, is locked. Here we look at this compound, and HBr is added to it. Now when we select the first box, because it was blank, we have the option to either draw the structure from scratch or copy what was in the previous box. This makes it much quicker for students to draw so that they can really focus on understanding. I'm going to go ahead and put in something incorrect, and I'm going to copy and paste that into the next step. You'll see that I'm going to get feedback on my incorrect work in that step. With SmartWork 5, your students will find our tools intuitive and easy to use, allowing them to focus on understanding mechanisms. With over 3,000 questions and detailed gradebook analytics, there is much more to see. Thank you again for your time today.